Acid and Base Experiments.
We are from Group 5. Let's watching our video. Ting ting.
Hello, this is our members. This is Elsya. This is Khasanda. This is Lailatussyifa. And it's me, Mufida Salma.
Okay, prepare tools and materials. There is egg, acetic acid, and a plastic bottle. The next step, pour 200 milliliters of acetic acid into the bottle and then put an egg in a bottle filled with acetic acid. After that, observe the change that occur for 24 hours. After being allowed to stand for 24 hours, the egg shell scrapes so that it leaves a thin layer of white on the egg.
Acetic acid solution in water is a weak acid, meaning that it only partially dissociates into H+ and acidic ions. In addition, egg cells have the chemical formula calcium carbonate, and calcium carbonate can react with a solution of acetic acid or vinegar.
When egg cells are immersed in acetic acid, calcium carbonate reacts with acetic acid to form a soluble calcium carbonate salt, so that what remains is an elastic binding protein because egg cells are susceptible to acetic acid. As we know, if acid can damage an object and change its thickness, so this acid breaks down the calcium in the egg cells and softens it, so that the part of the egg cell that has been exposed to acidic for a long time will soften.
Why can it happen? Because acidic is categorized in acidic substances. It means that acidic has the ability to damage several substances, such as calcium, which is the main component of eggshells. Eggshells are mostly made of calcium carbonate. By using acid, the shells dissolve. Not only with acetic acid, but also with hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, this can happen. Eggshells or calcium carbonate, which reacts with acetic acid, has the following equation. Calcium carbonate solid reacts with aqueous acetic acid to produce aqueous calcium acetate, carbon dioxide gas, and liquid water. The eggshells reacts with acetic acid to cause cracks in the eggshells for a certain period of time. Fast or slow peeling actually depends on the strength of an acid. Acetic acid, which is a weak acid, takes a relatively long time to peel off the eggshells. Acetic acid affects the softness and lightness of eggshells. The more acetic acid is given to the eggshells, the faster the eggshells will float and become soft and eventually peel off.
The conclusion of this experiment are 1. Eggshells contain light calcium carbonate which will become soft and float when reacted with acetic acid. 2. The result of the reaction of eggshells and acetic acid in the form of bubbles of carbon dioxide gas and water vapor. 3. The reaction between eggshells and acetic acid is calcium carbonate and 2-acetic acid produces calcium acetate 2 and carbon dioxide gas and also water. 4. Acetic acid has the ability to destroy several substances such as calcium, which is the main component of eggshells. 5. Acetic acid is needed in coloring eggs because acetic acid and water react with a layer of protein molecules that cover the surface of the eggshells so that the surface becomes positively charged and attracts negatively charged dye molecules. 6. Eggs with acetic acid added to the solution are darker in color than eggs without acetic acid in the solution. 7. Eggs soaked in 25% acetic acid are larger in size because the acetic acid solution seeps into the eggs. 8. Eggs that have been soaked in acetic acid are no longer fit for consumption.
Thank you for watching and see